Is your 2017 GMC Acadia backup camera showing a black screen or glitching out? Statistically, 80% of these camera issues are caused by simple software communication errors rather than hardware failure. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to get your display back online safely. Start by cleaning the lens, then perform a hard reset by disconnecting the battery and verify your fuses are intact. If the basics fail, look for signs of wire corrosion in the liftgate or potential water damage inside the camera housing. Your IntelliLink system may also require a firmware update, which often requires a visit to the dealership for a reflash. Most owners can handle the basic resets, but major wiring repairs or module reflashing should stay in the hands of professionals. Repair costs vary wildly, from a $20 fuse fix to over $400 for a full module replacement. For advanced users, scanning for body codes and checking for power at the camera harness can pinpoint the exact failure point. Keep a multimeter and a scan tool handy. You will need them to track down electrical gremlins in the liftgate circuit. Remember, electrical diagnostics are a process of elimination, so never replace expensive parts until you verify the power supply. Check your fuses and wiring first, and you might save yourself a trip to the dealer today.